Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Mathematics of Standard 4th. Chapter number 13, Fields and Fences. Students, in previous lecture we already completed up to page number 149. In previous lecture we learned about the parameter. Parameter means sum of all the four sides, otherwise all the sides of closed figure. If it is rectangle is there, if it is triangle is there, if it is hectagon, it is pentagon, it is triangle, square, rectangle, whatever it is there. But if it is closed figure is there, then sum of all the sides is called the perimeter. Now here it is given that two persons are there, Rahmat and Ganpat. Rahmat has a field is there and the boundary of the field is 54 meter. Here it is given 9 meter, 9 meter, 50 meter and 21 meter. So total 54 meter is there. And Rahmat brought 70 meter long wire, but its boundary sum is 54 meter. So 70 meter minus 54 meter, so 16 meter wire is remain. In a neighbor, another farmer is there and its name is Ganpat. Ganpat also decided that now I also want to make the boundary and so make the fencing on the boundary. So here Ganpat asked to Rahmat that will you give me the wire? Rahmat said yes, of course. But what is the total area or otherwise sum of boundary of the Ganpat? Here's Ganpat field is given and it is 15 meter, 15 meter, 9 meter, 9 meter and 80 meter. Because Ganpat's field's shape is a pentagon. And so 5 sides are there. So total of Ganpat's field is 9 meter, 15 meter, 15 meter, 9 meter and 18 meter. It means it is total 66 meter. And from 66 meter, Ganpat received the wire from Rahmat is a 16 meter. So 66 meter minus 16 meter, remaining 50 meter is there. And now Ganpat want 50 meter more wire to fence around his field. Up to here we completed in a previous lecture. So today let us start our chapter number 151, practice time. There is given practice time. So students, there is a 151 page, up to 150 page we already completed. Now practice time. Here are picture of some more fields. Find out which one has the longest boundary. So let us start A. Picture A is given in our book. It is also pentagon. This type of boundary, this type of field is there. And there is a 4 sides are there, 6 meter, 15 meter, 15 meter and 24 meter. Here 15 meter, here also 15 meter and here 6 meter, here 24 meter. So total sum of all the 4 sides is 6 meter plus 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 24 meter. So here what happened? 15 plus 15, 30 and 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 30, total boundaries is 60 meter. So boundary is equal to 60 meter. We have to write boundary is equal to 60 meter. Boundary is equal to 60 meter. It is given in our textbook. Now second field is given. This is the of A field is there, field A. Now we start the figure. It is given, students, sum of all the sides are here, and it is 6 meter, 15 meter, 15 meter and 24 meter. Total is 60 meter, and so boundary is equal to 60 meter. Now let us start the B. Here we have to draw the field B. What is the shape of field B? It is like this. We have to draw here. This L shape is there. So here measurement is given 6 meter. 6 meter. Afterward, here also 6 meter. This side 3 meter is there. Here 9 meter is there. Here 9 meter is there. And here 12 meter is there. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 6 meter is there. So total 6 sides are there. Total 6 sides are there. Here we write the 6 meter, 3 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter, 12 meter and 9 meter. So let us now sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides sum of all the sides. So now we write here sum of all the sides means 6 meter plus 3 meter, again 6 meter, again 6 meter, again 12 meter and 9 meter. It happens like this. So here we have to write all the, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. So 9 meter plus 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 6 meter plus 6 meter plus 12 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. Now we make the total. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 6, 30 and 30 plus 12, it is 42 meter. For first we write that here 60 meter is there. For first A figure there is a 60 meter is there. For B figure there is a 42 meter is there. So here we have to write 42 meter. Total boundary is equal to 42. Okay. Now C figure. For the figure C, it is a triangle shape is there. Total, we have to draw the figure C. This type of figure is there. 9, 12 and 15. 9, 12 and 15. Nine meter, 15 meter, 12 meter. Now make the sum of all the three sides. Here we have to write 9 meter plus 12 meter plus 15 meter. 9 plus 12, 21, 21 and 10, 31, 31 and 5, 36. So here we have to write for figure C, it is a 36 meter. Now figure number B, it is bigger one. So let us write this type of figure is there. 3, afterward 1, 2, 3, afterward 4, 5 and 6. Hexagon. The field shape is hexagon. So now we write the total so let us start the figure from here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 sides. Now we write the measure 9 9 15 15. Here also 15 meter, here 9 meter, here 9 meter, here 15 meter, here 15 meter, and here also 15 meter. 15 15 15 15, 30 and 30 60, 9 and 9. So here we have to write 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 9 meter plus 9 meter. So here 78 meter total boundary, 78 meter. Total boundary is 78 meter. Understood? So which boundary is greater? This boundary, here 60, here 42, here 36 and here 78 meter. It means we have to write that D figure has a bigger boundary. D figure has a bigger boundary. So we have to write that this figure, figure number D, has a bigger boundary. Boundary of this figure is total 78 meter is there. And so D field's boundary is bigger. So here are pictures of some more fields, and if from these fields, the boundary of D has, the field D has longest boundary. Understood, students? Here nothing is there. We have to make the total of all the 60, 42, 36 and 78 is here. From these all the fields, D field has a longest boundary because D field has 6 sides are there and more some amount is there. Now page number 152. Let us start. I want to read the question. Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village at 70 years of age. Chandu, one boy's name is there, and Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village at 70 years of age. He is fully fit. Do you know his secret? He goes for a walk around the field every morning. Every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. What is the total distance he covers? In our book, one field is given and boundaries also given. So now we have to find out that how much Chandu's father every morning walk. Students, you know that morning walk is good for our health. So if you want to be fit, always take the morning walk. Morning walk is very necessary. So here field measurement is given, and from this measurement we have to find out that how many from 4 rounds, how many meter Chandu's father walk every day. So let us start. Here it is given that fields is given, and in this field there is a boundary is also given. This side it is 150 meter, this side is 100 meter. This side is also 150 meter rectangle. This is a rectangle field is there, and so here also 100 meter is there. Student, first we find the parameter of this field, and here Chandu's father take 4 round. Every day 4 round, takes 4 round. So first we find out the total measurement. and afterward we find the total how much distance he takes. So let us start. Perimeter of the field. Perimeter of the field is equal to sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Just if you have to add all the sides. Here it is 150 meter plus 150 meter plus 100 meter plus 100 meter. So here it is 300, 400 and 500. 500 meter is there. From this 500 meter, if take one round, if Chandu's father walk one round, then it's become 500 meter. But Chandu's father takes 4 round. So how much meter is there? Let us start. Here we write that if one round is equal to 500 meter. So 4 rounds is equal to how many meters? So we have to write that 4 into 500. It means we have to write 500 into 4 is equal to 2000 meter. Students, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2000 meter means 2 kilometer. So Chandu's father every morning walk 2 kilometer. Chandu's father every morning walk because 4 rounds he takes on his field. So 2 kilometer every morning Chandu's father take walk. So this way our question number 2 is finished. Thank you very much.